We're back in Wasena. Let's see what updates we have on the construction process for the Wasena Bridge replacement project.
Well, currently the project is 65% complete, and what has happened so far on the project, we have completed the installation of 4 of the 5 sets of white piers that we have on the project, and the last remaining pier, which is the 5th pier, is 50% complete. What you see behind me right now is we installing deck pans to start concrete pouring for the bridge deck the end of this month or early next month. When we get the bridge deck poured, this will be the actual riding surface for the vehicles and bicycles, and also walking surface for the pedestrians. Okay. So the abutment on the old southwest side is quite a major activity because it involves extensive excavation activities, which we'll have to excavate about 45 to 50 feet deep. As you understand, excavation, takes a lot of time, and because we're going deeper in comparison to the abutment on the Wasena end, it's a major hauling of material. That excavation is probably halfway done right now.